Welcome to solverfy.
Hi there. Basically, this question asks us to draw a time series graph based on the Valentine spending, starting from 2007 to 2012. And we already have all the data here, so we can draw a time series graph. And let's move on to that. Well, in order to draw it, we need to draw all the points needed for each year. So the x-axis must be the year, starting from 2007 to 2012. We know that in 2007, the spend on Valentine's Day is 120, so we draw 1 point here. One thing to mention is that because we know that the data of the spending ranges from 103 to 126, so we can choose the y-axis as the spending and the values as 100 and 120. That's the middle point will be 110. That gives us a clear illustration of the total trend. And let's move on to the next year. It's 2008. It's 123. It's slightly higher than the previous one. So let's draw the point this way. Okay, for 2009, it's 103. Well, it's much lower, but still higher than 100. So let's draw it here. The next year is still 103. So let's draw it with the same height of the previous one. For 2011, it's 110, which is exactly this height of 110, right? And for the last one, 2012 is 126. It is the highest among them all, so let's draw it higher like this. Yeah, or perhaps even higher. Okay, and in order to get a time series graph, we need to connect these adjacent points with line segments, but not smooth curves, because we do not know the inside function behind it. So let's draw it with line segments like this. Okay. And next one's from 2008, 2009, from 2009 to 2010, from 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Okay, so here is our time series graph. And we know that starting from 2011 and 7, it increased a little bit for 2008, and then it dropped heavily from 123 to 103. And it remained the same for 2010, and then it goes up again. And that's our time series graph. Thank you.